What's up, everyone? It's Sam here with eFoil, and today we are in Newport Beach, California, and we have another special video for you. In today's video, we have just taken delivery of our first Marc Newson Fliteboard. This is the MN60 Wave. This board right here is about $20,000. We're going to unbox it, set it up, and show you guys what it's all about, so stick around. So we're going to start with the board first. This is the 4.6 model. On the bag, instead of just saying Flight, we've got now Flight X Marc Newson, which is a nice touch. So we're going to go ahead, open it up, and then you're greeted with a nice fancy kind of handbag bag that goes over the board. So let's slide it off and take a look at it. I mean, wow. Woo! This thing's cool, you guys. This thing is really light. And oh, wow. Beautiful deck pad, kind of different circles all over. You've got some nice big chunky rubber handles. Your battery latch is one now instead of two and different. You've got this kind of beveled rail that goes all the way around. Wow, you guys, this thing's pretty cool. All right, now that I've had some time to look at it and admire it, let's go over some of the features a little more in depth. So starting out with your deck pad, you've got kind of small circles here that fade into bigger circles for your deck pad. We've got some really big durable handles here, and they're actually recessed into the board, which is super cool. You've got Marc Newson kind of signature here on the side, and then you've got your label of the board, which is Fliteboard MN60 here on the left. Another cool feature is your new latch. It's just one. You open it up, pop the battery, and then close it just as you would your normal flight boards, but this is just one. It's super cool. I've never seen it before. And then I think one of my favorite features on the board would be this kind of this stamp, if you will, and it says Flight X Marc Newson, and it lets you know the number of your board. So this one here is number 24 of 999. So it lets you know that this is pretty special. And yeah, I would say that little thing is my favorite feature on the whole board. All right, everyone. So now we've tackled the board. We're going to open up the eFoil. Again, with your eFoil, it lets you know that this is a Flight X Marc Newson foil. Nice little touch again on the case. This case is similar to your aluminum, your performance case, but it has a couple of little hidden extras inside. So without further ado, let's get this bad boy opened up. So instantly, again, it's kind of jaw dropping. Wow, yeah, it's stunning is what this is. So your case, you've got room for a jet, you've got room for kind of your prop mod. This is the conical design, similar to your performance one, and yeah, this thing's cool, you guys. There's no other way to describe it. So we've just taken this out of the case, as you can see, and I mean, guys, this thing is speechless. So let's start at the top. We've got a new flight box for the top, same kind of technology, but just a sleeker, different design. The biggest feature on this foil is that it's a mono block of carbon. So from here all the way down to your fuselage tail, it's one piece of solid carbon. It looks as if the cooling system for this, you're going to get some water to shoot in through the bottom, and then it comes out at the top right here. So I would assume that's how it's going to be cooled. So if you do get one of these, I would say that would be how you'd give it a rinse. You've got the conical design for your wings, so similar to your performance. This is going to reduce your drag, improve efficiency, and then your prop as well. This thing's tiny. I mean, look, profile-wise, it's so thin, weighs next to nothing. I mean, this thing's 10 pounds. I mean, wow. It's kind of crazy. The prop's tiny. This is a smaller folding prop than the regular prop that's available for the for your larger motors, for the aluminum foil and the performance one. And then again, you've got your fuselage tail is one piece for one piece on the foil to put your stabilizer tail. Yeah, I mean, guys, this thing is this thing's legit. All right, just to go over some of the specs on this foil. So this is 10.8 pounds, and then it's 42 mil in thickness, which is about 25 to 30 mil thinner than your dual drive carbon mast, which I mean is huge. It's nearly, you know, it's nearly half the size in thickness, which is going to improve your efficiency and overall ride quality. I mean, this thing's carbon-wise, it's really stiff as well. So yeah, without further ado, let's get this thrown on the board, put the wings on, and show you guys this thing fully built. All right, so we're now going to get this this MN60 wave set up. We're going to pair it with a 1500 conical front wing, a 300 conical tail. You're going to note that we're not putting Tef gel on these screws just because we're going to take this this board apart after we get it set up and show you guys for transport. But yeah, without further ado, cue the time lapse. So we just got this set up. A few small details that we just noticed. So the screws are now star-bit screws instead of like a 4 mil hex head. And then a real beautiful design here is that the carbon weave of the actual mast itself transforms into the wing. So it's kind of symmetrical, if you will. And I mean, just looking at it, this thing, you know, obviously the foil is a mono block of carbon, but it almost looks as if the wing and the rear wing is also part of it. It just, I mean, this thing flows so beautifully. I mean, this is a as you can see, I'm kind of speechless on how beautiful and well crafted this thing is. So now that we've got this thing fully built, let's talk about the new battery latch. So it's just one piece. It's very smooth. When you open it, you just one finger, pull it open, give it a pull, and that's it. And then to close it, you just simply go like that, lift the little latch up, and click it back in. Even that feature alone is wow. It's speechless. It's so smooth and sleek and looks cool. I mean, it's in this kind of orange bar, if you will, and then this is going to match your flight sail, which we're going to come to in a second. I guess to match a cool board, it wouldn't be fair to do it without a cool battery. So this is the titanium one as well, but again, it's got this new kind of orange titanium piece on the front and on the back. I mean, it looks super cool. Although it's gloomy today, we've got the sun out trying to peek through the clouds, and it's just hitting it, and it's spectacular, guys. This is a sport flight sail. The board does take all three flight sails, Explore, Sport, and Nano, but to save some weight, my client wanted to go with the Sport, and yeah, as I said, it matches the one battery bar there to open the lid, and yeah, I mean, super cool. Okay, now that the board's set up, we've shown you the battery. The only thing left to go over is going to be the accessories pouch. So this is new, improved, slightly different, similar design to your kind of regular accessories pouch, apart from the fact that it has the Marc Newson hand controller. So the Marc Newson hand controller has an LED screen, similar trigger to the other the standard controller, but yeah, nice circle LED screen, and then a new kind of feature with the Marc Newson hand controller is that it now wirelessly charges. We did a quick video on this the other day. We compared the standard controller to the Marc Newson controller, so you can go check out that video to see some more in-depth differences. But yeah, that would be the main difference between your Marc Newson accessories pouch and your standard controller accessories pouch. You obviously get Tef gel, spare screws, spare O-rings, all that fun stuff. But yeah, that would be your accessories pouch. Alrighty guys, well, if you made it all this way through the video, thank you. We're super stoked to have one of the first ones to show you guys. Unfortunately, we're not going to get out and ride this today. We wish we could, but this is a client's board. Hopefully he's going to let us give it a go this weekend. If you like these videos, as usual, please like, subscribe, all that fun stuff. If you want to contact me for any sales or service or lesson questions, I'm in Newport Beach. I'll put my kind of contact details right below here. And yeah, as always, stay stoked and enjoy your day, guys. You.